I'm Wendy King from OEM Materials and Supplies, and this is an instructional video on how to use your newly designed, drop-tested approved, universal 30-up shipper. Here's the foam insert. With it, you'll have one corrugated carton, one thick shipper to hold the 30 drives, and two top pads. The way this works is there are tear outs. So there are 30 cells. These are called cells, which are just holes in the foam. And you can pull out two tear outs. You could just tear out the one, depending on the thickness of the drive. So since this is a 2.5 and it isn't very thick, let's just take out one. Put that back in there. Nice and tight. Feels just right. Depending on the height, we'll put this in here. Depending on the height, you may want to use one pad. Oh, I hope that didn't cause a head slap on that drive. One pad, or if it's a shorter drive, which I don't happen to have right now, but the idea behind this is if it's a shorter drive, you would then put two pads. So you have a choice. Two pads, one pad, and there is no pad, so forget about that option. That's the end of our instructional video. I hope you've enjoyed yourself as much as I have. Have a nice day.